Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good day to all of you. Today, I would like to invite you to reflect on one of the most important global goals within the Sustainable Development Goals Framework, SDG 4, quality education. This goal emphasizes not only access to schooling, but also ensuring that every child is able to complete their education and gain the skill they need to navigate an increasingly complex world. However, when we talk about quality education, we must also acknowledge the reality that many children still face. In Indonesia, the challenge of school dropouts remains significant, especially when it comes to financial barriers. Recent data from the Ministry of Education highlights that millions of children across the country are no longer in school. At the high school vocational level, the number of students who leave school is particularly noticeable, showing how adolescents who should be preparing for their future career are being held back by circumstances beyond their control. When we explore the reason behind these dropouts, economic hardship stands out as the most dominant factor. Studies reveal that roughly a quarter of students who leave school say it is because their family simply cannot afford the cost. In addition, a large portion of them stop schooling because they need to work or help support their households. This paints a clear picture education still feels financially out of reach for many families, especially those with limited income. This situation is also evident at the regional level, and provinces such as Central Java, for example, thousands of children are still categorized out of school. In response, local government have even had to allocate significant scholarship fund just to help these children return to the classroom. This shows that the problem is not only widespread but also requires continued and integrated intervention. Ladies and gentlemen, these realities remind us that education is not only about buildings, teacher, or curriculum. Many children never make it into the classroom because they cannot afford basic school uh, basic school needs, whether it's uniform transportation or daily necessities. When a child is unable to pursue education due to poverty, we create a longer chain of challenge, entering the workforce to early earning low wage as adults, and reaping cycles of poverty for the next generation. This is partially why SDG 4 is so essential. Quality education must go beyond improving academic outcomes. It must ensure that no child is left behind simply because of financial limitation. Policies such of education scholarship and government assistance program remain crucial and must continue to expand to truly reach every child who needs help. Ladies and gentlemen, education is a right, not a privilege. Every child deserves the opportunity to learn, grow, and dream about their future. When we fight for quality and inclusive education, we are not only uplifting individual children but also building the foundation for stronger and more equitable society. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.